A cold snap is sweeping across southeast Australia, with damaging winds, rain leading to flooding, and snow possible as far north as the Queensland-New South Wales border. The Bureau has issued severe weather warnings for damaging winds, and as of Monday afternoon, these cover coastal and elevated parts of Tasmania, Victoria, New South Wales, and the ACT. In Tasmania, we've already seen wind gusts of above 100 km an hour at Kennet Cape Grim, and for the rest of Monday, we could continue to see wind gusts of up to 100 km an hour for parts of the Tassie West Coast, easing later on Monday evening. In Victoria, winds will increase during Monday and may exceed 90 km an hour for parts of the southern and southwest facing coast, as well as about Mount Baw Baw as well, and winds will ease later on Monday night and into Tuesday morning. Across New South Wales and the ACT, we'll start to see wind gusts of between 70 to 90 km an hour develop across southern parts of the warning area, and these will extend north into the central tablelands and parts of the Illawarra, including Wollongong, into early Tuesday morning. And we could also see wind gusts in excess of 110 km an hour about parts of the highest alpine peaks, and these winds will ease from later on Tuesday morning. With the forecast winds and snow, we are forecasting blizzard conditions for elevated alpine areas, which can make travel dangerous. So if you are in these areas over the next day, be sure to follow all advice from local authorities, particularly as it is still the school holidays in New South Wales. The Bureau has also issued flood watches and warnings for Victoria and Tasmania. In Tasmania, minor flood warnings are current for the Huon and St Paul rivers, where between 40 to 70 millimetres of rain has fallen over the past 24 hours. And with more rainfall expected, a flood watch is current for much of eastern, southern and central Tasmania, with the possibility of minor to moderate flooding. In Victoria, flood watches are also current, and these include for the Thomson, Latrobe and Goulburn rivers, as well as upper reaches of the Yarra River. With rainfall over the next 24 to 36 hours, minor to possibly isolated moderate flooding is possible, especially as these areas remain relatively wet. And so just how much rainfall are we expecting? We've already seen rainfall totals across parts of southern Tasmania, but heading into Monday evening, as this low pressure system moves towards Victoria, rainfall totals will build across southern parts of the state, particularly for southern facing terrain, and that's where rainfall could be enhanced, and particularly in those southeast to southerly winds, that will pick up a little bit of extra moisture off the east coast of Tasmania, where sea surface temperatures remain relatively warmer. Heading into Tuesday, that's when we start to see rainfall totals build across southeastern parts of New South Wales, and over the next 24 hours, we are expecting to see between 15 to 50 millimetres of rainfall, with isolated falls in excess of 50 millimetres, which may produce flooding. For the rest of Tuesday, showers will extend up into northern New South Wales, and it may be cold enough to see snow flurries for the northern tablelands and even as far north as the Queensland Granite Belt. But the further north you do go, those snow flurries are less likely to settle to the ground. So with damaging winds, the possibility of flooding and blizzard conditions, be sure to check for the latest information and updates from the Bureau's website and social media, and please stay safe.